so today I'm going to be showing you my Mr. Mrs. box that just came the other day. Quick synopsis for those of you who have never watched any of my videos or know what this is about. A Mr. Mrs. box is a bridal planning / wedding box that you get depending on when your wedding date is, as often as you would like with that. So because our wedding wasn't until next year and I started it back in the spring, I get mine, I think it's quarterly. It's $41.95 a box. It's very easy to find coupons for your first box. I think I got my first one half off. And then they just bill you and they send it out, and it's kind of nice. It's a cool little surprise that sometimes you're not expecting to get, and then you get an email like, hey, your box is on its way, and you're like, woohoo, I get a new box. Really excited to open this one. I will post all of my other videos in the description box below so you can see what else I've gotten. I believe this is my third or my fourth one. I think it's my fourth one. Last month's box was like fitness related, so I'm really excited to see what's in this one. So I won't keep you guys waiting, we'll just jump right into it. Alright, so first up is this Silky kimono robe. So it's this really nice pink color. It doesn't have the sash around it, but that's the sash that goes around the center of it. It doesn't say anything on it, it's just this pink colored robe. So the first thing in your box is this Silky robe. So the theme I'm getting from this box is it's very spa-like, so it's like self-care type stuff, because next up you have like a couple of masks. There's a tea tree mask, and then that just says a mask pack. I don't even know if I'm saying this right. I don't know what manuka is. Looks like honey. I won't give you guys a close-up, you can kind of see them anyway, and I'm not going to take them out. But yeah, the second thing in your box are these two masks that you can use for a fun little spa day, I guess. So the third thing in your box is a hair wrap. If you wanted to use your masks, you can wear your towel. So your head goes here, you flip it upside down, you put your hair in it, and then you twist, and then you put it back and you pin it. There's actually a video on my YouTube channel, if you want to go find it. It's microfiber hair turban, and it shows you how to use these and how they work. So let me show you a close-up real quick and then we'll move on to the next one. So there's the cute bead, like the little thing where the loop hooks onto when you wrap your hair up in it, so that's the loop. And then, like I said, it says right here, it says keep calm and plan on. So that is the third thing in your box, is this microfiber hair wrap. So next up we have this, I had to read the sheet because I wasn't sure what it was. It's a relaxing foot soak. It comes in this really cute, I think it's glass, container with a cork on top of it. You can see all the different salts in it. I'll show you guys a close-up of it just because it is kind of pretty and it's all different colors. So I don't do foot soaks. Maybe I'll try one out just so I can use these. So there's the foot soak stuff. Like I said, it's all different colors. So you have like black and Epsom salts, which are usually the clear ones, and then the pink Himalayan salt in there too. So it's worth a try. So there's the fourth thing in your box, in your spa day box, is this relaxing foot soak. Just to stay on the foot spa day theme that we have going on here, next up you have a natural lava exfoliating pumice. Is it pumice or pumice? I'm gonna say pumice stone, so don't kill me for saying the wrong thing. So I don't want to take it out of the wrapper because I do know they get really like flaky, but you can see it, it's on a rope too, so you can hang it if you want to. It's like kind of like, looks like a rock. It's kind of what it is, but it's like all different colors, different shades of brown. So there's your pumice stone. So the fifth thing in your box is this natural lava exfoliating pumice stone. I hope I'm saying it right, and I'm really sorry if I'm not. Again, sticking with the foot part of a spa day, they give you some slippers. They're like ones you would get if you went to like a hotel and took the branded slippers or whatever, or wore the branded slippers. So there are these slippers. Like I said, they're like the thin ones that you would find at like a hotel. See how thin they are? And they're very like So they're white and they have, I think it's gold or yellow, the diamond. So the second to last thing that comes in your box are these kind of spa day type slippers. Like I said, the ones from the hotels, or I guess I've never really been to a spa, but I think these look very similar from what I've seen on TV. And the last thing that comes in this version of the Mr. Mrs. box is the white tea and cedarwood candle. I believe it's a soy candle. Yes, it's a soy candle. It comes in this really nice tin. I'll show you guys a close-up of it too. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells super good. It actually reminds me, I don't know if it's the cedarwood part of it, it almost smells like Christmas. And I'm not mad about it because this is something I can burn, seeing as it's November. So there is the white tea and cedarwood candle. Like I said, it has this nice label. It's in a metal container. It's actually a decent sized candle too. So not a wood wick, it's just a regular cotton candle, or a cotton wick, but not a big deal. It smells great. So that is the last thing that came in the Mr. Mrs. box, is this white tea and cedarwood, very, very lovely smelling candle. So that's it, you guys. It's all the stuff that came in this version of the box. Like I said, I think this one is kind of like the spa day pamper yourself box, while the last one was like the fitness box, and then there's like the planning box, and there's like the proposal box, and they have a lot of really great themes with all these. I have not been disappointed. There have definitely been things like similar to these slippers that I probably will never wear. Like I said, I will post all of the other videos below so you can see what else that came in the other one. I'll put the link to sign up for it below as well, but I really hope you guys enjoy these boxes if you end up getting them, or at least watching me unbox them. When I get the next one, I will make sure I do another video for it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below, and hopefully I will see you guys in a few months when I get the next one. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.